We're going to run your test today on a 300-600 unit, and here's the test particles we're going to run. This is a 15 horsepower unit, and this unit is a test lab unit, so your hopper would be different. This is kind of a different shape hopper because it's a roll feed system, but it'll do the same actions for it. What we have in the controls is basically your amp meter, a blower, and then the granulator, and then your test system for it. This is a self-contained unit where it has the unit, and then it has the blower system all inside a soundproof container. And again, this will do 500 to 600 pounds an hour for you. This unit here is a 500, 700 unit, which would do, which is a 50 horsepower unit. It would do close to 1,400 to 1,500 pounds an hour for your material. But really, unless you have a real lot of material that you got to get rid of, this is kind of overkill. This is more the system we'd recommend. So we're gonna stop the video, prep everything, and then we'll start running these cartons for you. I'm going to turn on the machine now. It's a very simple machine to turn on, just the blower, then the granulator. Your amp meter's working right there. Are you ready, Paul? Having no problem gobbling these up. These are real easy for this machine. With a standard hopper, you won't have to go over, you just dump down, much like that hopper for it. Ready? So we've done those 8 crates in way less than a minute. Now the material's processing out over here. Here's your processed material. We use the 6mm screen for your material. We're through the test. It took less than a minute. You got some labels were still on it and stuff like that. But here's your material. It's not bad. There's no heat. Not a lot of dust or anything like that. And again, we did with a 6mm screen, and your material's kind of thin, so you can always go with a little bit larger or smaller. It doesn't matter that much to it. But the machine processed it without any real problems, no problem at all for it. We got through it all in under a minute. So there's 8 of the containers in less than a minute.